Hi everyone, this is Bhavani. Let's learn all the short vowel sounds A, E, I, O, U. This will be very useful for learning words. These short vowel comes either in the beginning or at the end of a word. Come on, let's learn the short vowel A sound. The sound when the vowel becomes short, when it follows the consonant letters C, B, C, D, F, G, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, V, X, Z. Other than the vowel letters, all the other letters are consonant letters. See, the sound for A is A when it follows the consonant letter B. A, B, ab, a, k, ak, a, id, ad, a, if, af, ab, ak, ad, af, a, ig, ag, a, ich. There is no word a, j, aj. Instead of j, we use d, g, e, ij, aj. A, k, ak, a, il. Two sounds, al, all. Al we use for aluminium, all for use for always. See here, ag, aj, ak, al, all. A, im, am, a, in, an, a, p, ap, a, k, ak, am, an, ap, ak, a, ir, ar, or. Two sounds. Ar we use for around, arise, arose, or we use for rhyming words like car, for, jar. A, is, as, at, at, av, av. Ar, or. Two sounds, as, at, av. A, x, ax, a, is it, oz, mumtaz, to pause. So get it thorough with this list. It will be very useful for reading words. Next comes the short vowel E. When the vowel letter E becomes short, when it follows the consonant letters, it becomes short. The short vowel sound for E is A. Get thorough with this list. This list will be very useful for reading words. This set of words, this set of not words, set of sounds. We use it in the beginning of a syllable or at the end of a syllable. See, the sound for E is A, yeb, ec, yek, ed, yed, ef, yef might be useful, will be, not might be. Is this ef, we use it in the beginning of a syllable. Eg, egg, ej. Instead of j, we use d, g, e. Edge, ek, yek, el, yell. E, a sound, yum, im, yum. Yan, n, in, n. Yep, yek. E, a, yer. Yes. Yet, yav, yaks, yes. Get thorough with the list and make use of it while reading words. Next comes a short vowel I. When the vowel letter I becomes short, when it follows the consonant letters, it becomes short. The sound for I is E. The sound for I is E when it follows the consonant letter. See here, I follows B. Ib, ik, id, if, ig. You don't find ij, instead we use dge. Ij, ik, il, im, in, ip, ik, is, it, iv, ix, is. Get thorough with these lists. And this will be very useful for reading words. This short vowel sound is, you find this in the beginning of a syllable or at the end of a syllable. So get thorough with the list. Next comes short vowel O. When the vowel letter O becomes short, when it follows the consonant letters, it becomes short. The sound for O is O, A. Two sounds. Keep it in mind. Vowel letter O has two sounds. O, A. Ob, Ab. Ok, Ak. Odd, Ad. Off, Uff. Og, Ug. Oj. Instead of Aj, we use DGE. Oj, Aj. Ok, Ak. Al, all. Om, om. On, on. Op, up, op. Ok, ak. Over, or. Os, us. Os, us. Ot, ot, at. Here comes O. Ov, ov, av. Ox, ox, ux. Oz, oz, as. So keep it in mind. Short vowel sound has two sounds. These sounds we make use it while reading words. It comes, not it may. These sounds come in the beginning of a syllable or at the end of a syllable. Here is a list of short vowel U. When the vowel letter U becomes short, when it follows the consonant letters, it becomes short. The sound for U is See, listen carefully. The sound for A is A. U is And one more sound for O, bass sound So U, ab. U, C, ak. U, D, ad. U, F, F. Can add one more F also. U, G, ug. U, J. We don't find some. We find U, J. Ujjain. We find U, J. And you can also use, instead of G, use for the names it comes U, J. D, G, E. Aj. U, K, ak. So Ujjain is not a short vowel, it's a long vowel. So we use, instead of J, we use ij. Aj. UK, ak. ULL, al, ul. UM, UN, a, in, an. Up, ak. UR, ur. US, us. UT, at. UV, av. UX, ux. UZ, us. So get it thorough with the list. The beginners, if you are thorough with the list, you can read the words confidently. Subscribe and follow me if you like the video.